all about. Siegel mula sa tabi. And that's the way the series is gonna be. They're gonna
Malamyang pasa.
malamyang pasa at saka yung parang you will rest on your laurels. Abay, babalikan at babalikan. Kaya nga nandito sa championship, taller than Danny Ildefonso. Here's that Andy Siegel. Nice shot, curling away. Pumaren laban Kirasela. Inside, Siegel turns around. Yes! Andy Siegel. And he has 12 in the game. What a shooting clip this third.
Sa Providence College, he shot 81% from the line. So he's supposed to be a good free
Oy.
throw shooter. Yung Blanca.
Hindi
galing
kuya.
kay Andy.
Super Bowl kasi
So pa si EJ File.
Correct.
And
Yun ang sinasabi natin kanina that they have 2 players for every position.
San Miguel needed to win.
Ganda ng pasa ni Derek Brown to Andy Siegel. Look away pass.
Point shot.
Here's Andy.
Again, they run
Siegel.
that play. They're low.
Nilabas na naman kay Danny Siegel up against Andy. At ito, medyo sumundot na si Andy. Dahil ine-ekis-ekisa siya nung nakababataan niyang kapatid.
Makes inside. Hindi nila na ipapasok because Purefood seems to be playing with a lot more intensity.
Ating mga suki sa Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Game 4 ng finals. Andy Siegel down the middle.
Ating kanina, ito si Andy Siegel. Very, very aggressive in
Andy Siegel pumupwesto na naman laban kay Danny Ildefonso. There's a double team. Oh! Ano ito? Wala na all. Andy Siegel inaatrasan si Nick Velasco. And he scores on a looper. Behind Andy Siegel. Oh! Fancy pass to Derek Brown! Hindi lang pumasok yun.
Andy Siegel at saka si Nick Velasco are still exchanging words. Alam mo, magkaibigan yung dalawa.
Oh yes, alam natin yan.
Pero dito, championship winning time.
Dito Pumaren slapping Andy Siegel to since double technical foul. Ito, teka muna, kinakausap ni referee Ernie De Leon, yung dalawang team captain, si Alvin Patrimonio at si Olsen Racera. Ito, pinapaliwanag naman ni referee Bernarte. At oops!
Alam mo, wala nang brother to brother relationship dito.
Pang-apat pa lang ni Andy Siegel.
He's got to control himself, partner, no? Andy Siegel is a vital cog.
And he did a very good job, like File, Patrimonio, and even Evangelista, lording it over the boards. Talagang lalaki yung rebound. Sumira na naman sila dito, hindi nakita, pero nakita niya naman yung slow-mo. But Andy Siegel getting it all back.
Yes, Miguel's defense.
Biggest lead in the game for Purefood, 7-2. Oh! Andy Siegel blocking his younger brother. And talagang gigil na gigil si Andy. Sabi niya, anong kapatid? Oh, pinagsasabihan pa niya. Hoy, Totoy, ha? Huwag kang ganyan. And the crowd loves it.